How to remove the background from an image for free using a simple tool. Go to your browser and open Google. In the search bar, type Photoroom Remove BG and press enter. You'll see the first link that says Photoroom Remove Background from Image. Go ahead and click on that. Once the page opens, you'll see an option to upload your image. Just click on Upload Image, find your image file, and select it. The website will automatically detect the background and remove it for you. It's super quick and super easy. Once the background is removed, all you have to do is click Download to save the new image with the transparent background. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background for free using Photoroom. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.